Welcome to the CompTIA Project Plus Prepcast by baremetalcyber.com. Success on the CompTIA Project Plus PK0-005 exam depends not only on how much time you dedicate to studying, but also on the quality of the resources you choose. Both CompTIA and reputable third-party publishers offer a range of preparation tools, and the right combination can give you complete coverage of every tested concept. Selecting materials carefully and integrating them into a coherent plan will ensure you study efficiently without leaving gaps that could affect your score. The official CompTIA exam objective should be your first and most important resource. This freely available document outlines every topic that can appear on the exam and serves as a detailed checklist for your preparation. By keeping it beside you while you read, practice, or review, you can be certain that all your activities align with the actual test content. It should remain the backbone of your study plan from start to finish. If available, the official CompTIA study guide for the PK0-005 exam is a strong choice. These guides are written to match the current objectives exactly, using the same terminology and organizational structure found in the exam blueprint. They often include review questions, summaries, and additional digital resources, making them an all-in-one study solution for those who prefer a single, authoritative source. Third-party study guides can also be valuable, but they should be evaluated with care. Books from trusted names such as Cybex, Mike Myers, or ExamCram can offer alternative explanations and perspectives that complement the official guide. Always confirm that the edition you choose is specifically updated for PK0-005, as older versions may include outdated objectives or omit newer topics. Comparing the content with the official objectives will help you confirm alignment before investing your study time. Many high-quality study books now include digital components such as online quizzes, flashcards, and access to interactive learning portals. These digital tools add variety to your preparation and reinforce material through different formats. Some platforms even provide downloadable study plans, video lectures, or virtual labs, which can make the learning experience more interactive and adaptable to your schedule. Video-based training courses can be particularly effective for learners who benefit from visual explanations. Providers such as LinkedIn Learning, IT Pro TV, and Udemy often offer courses that walk you through frameworks, tools, and lifecycle phases step by step. When considering these options, ensure that the instructor is credentialed and that the course content matches the PK0-005 objectives in both structure and terminology. Practice exams are one of the most important tools for assessing readiness and diagnosing weak areas. The best practice tests mimic the style, difficulty, and domain distribution of the real exam, giving you a realistic sense of what to expect. After each session, review every question carefully, paying attention to why incorrect options were wrong, as well as why the correct answer was right. This deeper analysis improves understanding and reduces the chance of repeating mistakes. Scheduling 1 or 2 full-length practice exams during your study period can help track your progress. The score reports generated from these sessions can be used to plan targeted review blocks by domain. Retaking the same practice exam after a period of review can confirm whether your understanding has improved in those weaker areas. Analyzing practice test feedback is more than checking a percentage score. Breaking results down by domain shows exactly where your gaps are, allowing you to concentrate your study efforts where they are most needed. It is also useful to watch for patterns in question types that cause trouble, such as scenario questions, tool identification, or sequencing, so you can focus on improving those specific skills. Flashcards from reputable sources are a valuable supplement to both reading and practice tests. CompTIA and several third-party publishers offer pre-built sets that target definitions, acronyms, tools, and common performance terms. Flashcards are best used in short, focused study sessions, especially during breaks or in the moments between larger study activities. Lab simulations, though not required, can offer valuable hands-on reinforcement of key concepts. Some training providers include simulated environments where you can work with project artifacts such as Gantt charts or risk logs. These simulations help bridge the gap between theoretical understanding and practical application, making it easier to recall concepts during scenario-based questions. Finally, combining audio with text is an often overlooked but powerful reinforcement method. Listening to key terms in an audio format while reading them in print engages multiple senses, which can improve recall. Audio-based study tools like this prepcast are particularly effective during travel, breaks, or downtime, allowing you to review material without interrupting your daily routine. For more cyber-related content and books, please check out cyberauthor.me. Also, there are other prepcasts on cybersecurity and more at baremetalcyber.com. One of the easiest mistakes to make when selecting study materials is using outdated or incomplete resources. Older books, video series, or practice exams may reference objectives and terminology from earlier versions, such as PK 0-004, which will not match the current PK 0-005 exam. Always verify the publication date and confirm that the materials clearly state they are aligned with the current version of the exam before you commit your time to them. Relying on condensed guides or stripped-down summaries can also be risky, as they may skip important context that appears in real test questions. It is equally important to avoid unauthorized or brain-dump content entirely. CompTIA strictly prohibits the use of leaked exam questions or unapproved training materials, and relying on them can result in disqualification or certification revocation. Beyond the ethical concerns, these sources often provide inaccurate or misleading information. The safest and most effective path is to stick with officially endorsed resources or reputable educational platforms that are known to maintain high standards and accurate content. The CompTIA Learning Portal is a reliable option for those who want direct access to official training tools. It offers interactive lessons, practice assessments, and structured feedback loops that are fully aligned with the current objectives. For learners who prefer a guided, step-by-step approach, this type of platform ensures that every concept is covered in the order and depth required for the exam. Free online tools can be useful supplements, provided they are used carefully. Public communities such as Reddit study forums, LinkedIn project management groups, or YouTube instructional channels can help clarify tricky concepts or explain them from a different perspective. However, because these sources are user-generated, they may contain outdated or incorrect details. Always cross-reference anything you learn from these spaces with the official objectives to confirm accuracy. Keeping a dedicated notebook or digital tracking system for your study progress can improve both efficiency and focus. By logging which chapters, practice tests, or video modules you have completed, you can avoid unnecessary repetition and quickly identify blind spots. This log also makes it easier to track your progress against the official CompTIA objectives, ensuring that no domain is accidentally skipped. Layering your resources is one of the best ways to reinforce what you learn. Books provide depth and structure, flashcards support quick repetition, practice exams build familiarity with test conditions, and audio content offers convenient review opportunities. Each format brings different strengths, and using them together creates a more complete and engaging study routine. When choosing resources, give priority to those that teach you how to work with conceptual tools. Understanding dashboards, project reports, risk logs, and other common artifacts is not only about knowing what they are. It is about understanding when and why to use them. Many exam questions are built around choosing the correct tool for a specific scenario, so this type of knowledge is essential for a passing score. Matching your resources to your preferred learning style can also make your preparation more efficient. Visual learners may benefit from diagrams, flowcharts, and illustrated process guides. Auditory learners might prefer recorded lectures, podcasts, or audio versions of study materials. Those who learn best by doing, often called kinesthetic learners, might focus on flashcards, simulations, and active practice exercises. By leaning into the methods that work best for you, you can increase both retention and engagement. It is not necessary to purchase every study tool available for the exam. A strategic approach is to invest in one up-to-date study guide, a reliable set of practice exams, and a few targeted supplements such as flashcards or a video course. The prepcast serves as a consistent audio-first companion that supports other formats by reinforcing key concepts in a structured, exam-aligned manner. As you progress, consider building a personal reference library that contains the resources you find most useful. This could be a digital folder with bookmarked websites, downloaded PDF study guides, diagrams and glossaries, or a physical binder with printed notes and reference sheets. Having this collection ready in the final week before your exam will make your last review sessions far more organized and effective. In summary, success with resource-based studying comes from selecting accurate, up-to-date materials from trusted providers, combining multiple formats for reinforcement, and ensuring all study activities are guided by the official objectives. With a balanced mix of books, practice exams, flashcards, videos, and audio, you can build both knowledge and confidence while avoiding wasted effort on outdated or incomplete sources. Thank you for listening. Please follow baremetalcyber.com on social media and check out our books at cyberauthor.me.